Hello, hi. Okay, today we do unboxing for RG Hyper Mega Bazooka launcher for Hy-V Gundam Infinite display set. This is Bandai. So this is expansion set for RG Hy-V Gundam and Infinite. So this is what you can get here is action base and effect part for the funnel, the gun, and the extended arm for the action base to hold the funnel lah. So see, usually the funnel is red color, but this one is a grey color. This first pack is mainly for action base. Cable here, one cable, the action base. One set of action base. Next pack is I think this one for the gun, Bazooka. L2 and K2 is for the gun. Also for the gun. K1 and L1 gun. And last pack action base. This action base for the funnel at the back here, similar to the MG one, and got a sticker, Hyper Mega Bazooka launcher, and the effect parts for the funnel and for the, I think this is for funnel, but I think it's not enough. This is a short one, and this is effect like this. So this the manual. Here first they did the Hyper Mega Bazooka launcher. This one, then base for Hyper Bazooka launcher. This is a normal base only, the normal one. Then display base for Hy-V Gundam. The one got 6 arm to hold the funnel. This. Then how to attach the V Gundam. This connectors include with the RG HV Gundam. Okay, then the funnel, we got 3 type. This one 2, so can show display like this. 2 same to the effect part for the funnel. Then this is how we hold the Hyper Mega Bazooka launcher. Main funnel also can attach to normal action base back. Then okay, that's all. This is the sticker guide for the Hyper Mega Bazooka launcher. Okay, that's all for unboxing Hyper Mega Bazooka launcher for Hy-V Gundam and fin funnel display set RG. Okay, thank you. Bye.